it's getting full of jumps that I've been building over the winter time. And one of my more recent videos, I showed you how I basically redid some of the rails that I had and spruced them up a little bit and got them ready for spring. So now what I wanted to show you today is how you can make 10 different jumps, yes, 10 different jumps using only 4 rails. So we're gonna get right to that in just a minute. Hi again, it's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, happy horse jump welcome. I've taken the jump rails outside so I can set them up for you and show you 10 different jumps that you can make using 4 rails. Some of the jumps that I'm going to be setting up are verticals and some of them are oxers. So if this is something that you would like to do, you will need 2 pair of jump standards, and 4 rails and 4 sets of jump cups. So let's go set some jumps up. What do you think? Let's set up some jumps. you have it. We used 4 poles or 4 jump rails, and we made 10 different horse jumps. Hopefully that gives you some ideas of different things that you can do in your own arena. If you're looking for new ideas of things that you want to jump but you can't think of anything, there's 10 with just 4 rails, and I'm sure you can think of a lot more too, but hopefully this will give you something to get started with. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. Just click on my picture at the end of this video. You can subscribe to my channel and watch all of my other jump building videos. Again, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, stay passionate and enjoy your ride and your jumping.